Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. Today we are picking up 3 cars. We are at Copart right now. We just paid for 2 of them. Older cars, but I'm looking for super quick flips. One is a Toyota Camry, I think 2001, and the other one is Legacy, Outback, something like that. Got a 747. I don't get to see these that often. That thing is massive. Guys, I kid you not, we've been waiting for almost an hour for the first car. And here it is. No key. How the hell is it a run and drive? There's the key. So this car was what is it? Vandalism, but it did not show this in the pictures, so that really sucks. But these seats, these are sport seats. These ain't no Subaru seats. These are aftermarket seats. That's pretty dope. So there's the mileage, 161. It does not start on its own, and I don't know how we'd be able to drive it home with this. I feel like that's such a hazard. But we'll see. It definitely needs a jump. So we're gonna give that a try and see if she'll start and how well she'll run on her own. Alright, let's give it a try. I see no volume. Take it off? Yeah, I think so. Sounds like it's running more or less okay. We don't need AC, we need heater because it's been cold as heck outside. We got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. But we are almost out of gas, or this gauge is broken. The Fan gas station is pretty close to here. Don't even remember how much I paid for this car, but I think it's worth it. Just minor stuff to do. Tires are in pretty decent shape. All-wheel drive right before the winter comes here. It's a little rough around the edges. Needs a cleaning. But honestly, it will sell. It sounds like the engine is running pretty good too, so we'll see once we get it back to the house. This is crazy to me, no keys. I bought it as a run and drive, but it shows no keys and it has 2 keys in it. Here's the second cheap car, Camry. So there's the damage right there. And then I think the rear end has some damage. See a cigarette butt. Doesn't really smell like a smoker's car. But if it runs with no issues, this is another quick sell, fresh oil. Yeah, is there a date on that? Yeah. 19/6, so 3 months ago. Oh, this whole thing is dirty. Could use a good clean. Radiator looks new too. Another one with the dead battery. Car completely toasted. So my brother's gonna give it a jump, but it has power seats, which I know is definitely an option. Yeah, I'll need to clean this up. Yeah, I definitely got very cold waiting for these cars. So the Legacy, after fees, I paid $788 for it. And for this Camry, I paid $523. So I think total for 2 cars was $1,311, which I think I'll double my money on both of them. Jump box is on. Nope, Andre, nothing. There we go, I just heard a beep. There you go, keep it at that. Keep it there. Alrighty, well this one has enough gas, so this one should make it. There's the mileage for that one. Let's clear this trip. Sounds like it's running pretty good. Oh, I forgot about this damage. Maybe I won't double my money on this one. But guys, look at this. It is so filthy. No one has cleaned this car, ever. So the power seat doesn't go back. The steering column does not go up. Look at my legs. Oh, this is gonna be uncomfortable. So unfortunately, this Camry, that rear quarter, is busted up a lot worse than it looks in the pictures, which makes me think that I'll have to sell it even cheaper than I thought I would have to. So I'm gonna list it for $1,000 firm, but I might have to let it go for like 900 bucks, 800 bucks, whatever. I'll make a few $100s. I'll probably have to clean it up though a little bit and make it look a little bit more presentable. Andre's already out. He's going to get gas, but I'm gonna follow him. I think that means the taillights are out. I don't know. But it's running good. No jerking, no nothing. I mean, smooth. Toyota. Going places. Isn't that what they say, I think? Ha ha, caught up to him. And he didn't even put the plate on right. Hope he doesn't run out of gas right now. That'd be awkward. Hurt my fingers, but at least the steering wheel is up. Looks a lot better. And now I have some room in between. First stop, and it's to the gas station. It's so crazy. 2 beater cars. Oh, completely gone. Busted up. 15 bucks in. Let's get out of here. Man, this car is just so darn filthy. Maybe it's broken. Alright, let's jump in these bad boys. Feel like I'm about to do the Gambler 500 in these cars. Alright, so we gotta make sure nothing's overheating. So far, so good. Let's hit it. Standing out there at the gas station, both cars, you can barely hear them run. They are, I mean, just so quiet, which is good, makes me very happy. Although they kind of look like doo-doo, they're not in the best shape, but mechanically, it seems like they are very solid. I'm curious how the clutch is on the Subaru because it's a 5-speed manual. See how worn that clutch is. But I should still make money on these cars. I should. Next issue that I found, feels like the front right wheel. You guys see that? This is me resting my hand on the center console. See how the camera is going up and down? It feels like the front tire is bouncy. Either it has like a bump or something of that sort. And it's definitely noticeable. Very weird, but I don't feel the bump anymore. Car is running really smooth, and I'm doing higher speeds now, but I didn't feel it from start to 60. So I don't know, maybe it was the road. So far, running really, really well. Made it home in one piece. Now the test we always do. Look at that, battery's great. Ooh, save me some money. Now I just have to wait for my brother to show up, see if the Subaru made it. I think it did. I don't really see him quite yet. And then we gotta go back to Copart, pick up parents' Cadillac, which we came on, and then go to IAAI and pick up the other car my brother bought, Fiesta, Ford Fiesta. I really don't like peeling this stuff off, especially look at that, how it crumbles. Whew, that is gross. Here comes the person in second place. My brother! My brother just did the same test I did, and it started on its own, so it seems like both batteries will be good after driving the cars for a little while. And now, of course, hecka excited. Sorry, I'm talking to you guys from here because I've been peeling this off. Ugh. How did it run?
Great.
Any issues?
Nope.
Any funny sounds, anything?
I think it's like an old transmission car sound, you know, and then you're giving it, it's like,
oh, yeah. Like an old bus?
Yeah, exactly that.
Any shaking on the road?
No.
Sweet.
This thing we're on, like,
and the interior is actually pretty darn clean too.
Great condition.
All right, let's go get the other one. Your car this time. While we're running errands, let's see where they're at. Didn't even do nothing to it. Are you sure you're gonna make it today? I bust a dance move. You don't even know what you're doing. Aye, are you gonna finish it today though? Hey, look, he's sniffing paint.
On the camera, yes. Off camera, no.
Well, it's no rush. But see, unfortunately, after driving it a little bit, I see that it's leaking. Oh, is it in here?
Look.
Oh, it's kind of cracked. But I think the main bulb went out. So I don't know. Do you think I'd be able to dry it out somehow?
If you put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 2 hours.
Because this headlight is like 700 bucks used. What year is this thing? 2015, so it's a final edition, right? Final edition Evo. Man, I kid you not, these guys put it together from absolutely nothing.
Nope.
Look, it has the blue doors.
21,000 miles. Oh, there we go. Final edition. Yeah, guys are putting in work. I can't do stuff like this. Look at that, super glue?
Yep.
Wow.
This is my 2013 Impreza STI. Fully built motor. Capable of like 750 wheel horsepower. Just installed new cams all the way around.
Look at the turbo.
What?
So I'm saying bye to this thing. Should be done in a few days, yeah? Burnouts. And before I sell this thing, they'll need a new headlight, and then this wheel will need to get repaired. Guys are always fun. Go chatting with them, but we gotta move on and pick up cars, because that's the priority right now. We are kind of on a time crunch. They will stop pulling cars out in about an hour, so I mean, we're pretty close, but we'll still have to pay for it and get it pulled out, and hopefully it has no issues. This is the last car we're picking up today. As always, it's hecka windy here, but this is our final stop. Picking up one more car. Andre, what year is it? 2012, so this is the newest car of today. Most cars, actually. Guys, I kid you not, I think my car flipping started with a Volvo just like this one, except it was white, right? Remember that when I bought it with the Mustang?
Nope.
The Mustang that you crashed? It was. Remember? What was the first car that I got? Oh, the 300?
The Dodge 3500 with the bad transmission.
No, I mean with the dealer's license, but...
No, that was your first dealer purchase.
I know, I'm not saying Volvo wasn't first dealer purchase, but I think Volvo and the Mustang were the two cars that I was like, hey, I want to start flipping cars. Yeah. We got these goobers to come with us. Are you guys helping? We're picking up cars?
Yeah.
Are we making money?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. Woo! Andre, show him where it's going. You don't need it. So this is a little Fiesta he got, and it said rear end damage. So this is all I see is just little scuffs. We were afraid, yep, just a little bit right here, which is, I think, very minor. We've had cars like this before. Oh, this is the only thing. But it should be able to go like this. What a sticker. So hazards work, so I'm assuming it should start on its own, wherever the keys are. Alright guys, moment of truth. Just like I thought, starts on its own. Has a oil light on. Andre says it's clear, so maybe they forgot to reset it. Pretty low on gas. Not really. 128 miles left, quarter tank. Guys, it sounds like we're winning car after car today. Although this is probably a little better by. So what is this? A 2012 Ford Fiesta. After fees, it was $2,718. And that's it. Let's hit the road, take the Cadillac back to my parents' house, and Andre's taking this home so you could kind of fix it up, clean it up, and get it listed and sold. The security hard at work, checking paperwork. There you go, super easy, but quite annoying. From the outside, you can't really even tell that it has damage. Just a little, well, a few scuffs. Seems like very minor stuff. Remember when a car died on us here, guys? I don't remember, Mazda, I think. It didn't now. Look at how beautiful this is. Definitely a little windy out, but today is such a beautiful day. It's almost like summer with 55 degrees outside. And that right there off in the distance is Mount Hood. It's about an hour 10, hour 20 minute drive from here. I bought myself a gift. It is nothing special. Go ahead, open it. Take your guesses now, guys. You have to open it. There you go. Surprise!
Man, it's like
Oh,
a
boy.
egg.
Oh, dang. That's it. Here it is, guys. feel like I'm a aficionado a little bit. So this is a Invicta. I don't remember. Let's see if I'll say it on the back. Another piece to my growing collection. What do you guys think? My wife says it's too big. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. This is gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining. We made it home. All the cars were great purchases. Now you just have to clean them up a little bit, take photos, get them listed, and get them sold. Move on to the next one. Appreciate your support, and I'll see you guys in another video.